Welcome to Reviews Inside TV, where we dive deep into the products that make a difference in your daily life. Today, we're taking a close look at the Chefman Obliterator 48/0 Countertop Blender. This isn't just any blender. Chefman promises that this powerhouse can handle everything from ice and frozen fruit to nuts and more. With its advanced 1380-watt motor and sleek design, it's built to be a top contender in any modern kitchen. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Chefman Obliterator is a 48/0 countertop blender designed to tackle a variety of blending tasks with ease. The first thing you'll notice is its hefty 1380-watt motor, which is a real workhorse for crushing ice, frozen fruits, and even tougher ingredients like nuts. If you're someone who makes smoothies every morning or loves experimenting with different textures, this blender promises to handle it all, and quietly too. Thanks to its advanced airflow technology, it operates with minimal noise, a feature that's often overlooked in high-powered blenders. Another standout feature is the shatter-resistant Tritan blending jar, which can handle both cold and hot ingredients, perfect for everything from morning shakes to soups. And with the auto blend function, this blender promises to take the guesswork out of blending, optimizing its settings to achieve the perfect consistency, whether you're working with ice or fresh produce. Add in the intuitive controls and dishwasher-safe parts, and it starts to sound like a game changer. But does it really deliver? When I first tested the Chefman Obliterator, I was eager to see if it could live up to its promise of crushing ice and frozen fruit effortlessly. Setting it up was a breeze. Just plug it in, add your ingredients, and you're good to go. The auto blend function immediately caught my attention. The first time I used it, I added some frozen berries and a handful of spinach for a smoothie. The blender analyzed the ingredients and adjusted the settings, blending everything smoothly without any need for intervention. The results were impressive. No chunks, no uneven texture. The motor was powerful but surprisingly quiet, even when processing ice. I also used the blender to make some hot soup, and while it handled the hot liquid well, I did notice that you need to be cautious about splatter when removing the lid. It's a small detail, but one worth mentioning. Cleaning was as easy as advertised. Either run the clean preset or just toss everything into the dishwasher. The tamper and scraper tools are also a nice touch, especially for thicker blends that need a little help getting to the blades. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the Chefman Obliterator. On the positive side, the 1380-watt motor does a fantastic job of crushing ice and blending frozen fruit into a smooth consistency. The large 48/0 jar means you can make enough for the whole family in one go, and it's surprisingly quiet considering how powerful it is. The auto blend feature is a standout. It makes blending easier and more consistent, which is perfect for anyone who wants to avoid the guesswork of adjusting settings for different ingredients. Another huge plus is its build quality. Everything from the materials to the design feels premium and well-made. It's got a sleek, modern aesthetic too, which means it'll look great on your countertop. However, it's not without its downsides. For one, the blender is large, and it does take up a good amount of space on your counter. If you're working with limited kitchen space, this could be an issue. The only other minor downside is the need to be cautious when handling hot liquids. While it blends them well, you'll want to ensure you cover the lid with a towel to avoid any splatter. Additionally, though the blender is pretty quiet for its power, it's not entirely silent. But that's expected from a blender of this caliber, and it's not disruptive unless you're using it in an extremely quiet environment. So, is the Chefman Obliterator worth the price? At its current price point, it offers solid value. You're getting a high-powered motor, a large blending capacity, and a smart auto blend feature, all at a price that's reasonable compared to other high-end blenders on the market. When you compare it to competitors like the Vitamix or Ninja blenders, the Chefman offers similar power with a few added conveniences like the tamper and scraper tools and quieter operation. The included accessories and sleek design also set it apart from many other options in the same price range. When looking at alternatives, the Vitamix 5200 is a notable competitor. It offers excellent build quality and blending power, but it comes at a much higher price. The Ninja Foodi Cold and Hot Blender is another option, with similar features for both hot and cold ingredients. However, the Chefman is a bit more affordable while still delivering comparable performance. What really sets the Chefman apart is its focus on ease of use, thanks to the auto blend function and the thoughtful design of the tamper and scraper. In terms of build quality, the Chefman Obliterator seems well constructed. The materials feel sturdy, and the Tritan jar is both durable and safe. While long-term reliability data isn't fully available just yet, Chefman's reputation and the solid 5-year warranty give me confidence that this blender will stand the test of time. The brand is known for producing reliable kitchen appliances, and this model seems to follow suit with its strong build and thoughtful design. While I didn't have to reach out to Chefman's customer support during my testing, the company's reputation for helpful service is something to note. They back this blender with a 5-year warranty, which provides a solid safety net for any potential issues down the line. This shows that they're confident in the product's durability and quality. Overall, the Chefman Obliterator 48-aughts Countertop Blender does a lot right. It delivers powerful performance, is easy to use, and offers a solid value for the price. Its advanced features like auto blend, quiet operation, and ease of cleaning make it a top choice for anyone looking to upgrade their blending game. It's a bit large, but if you have the space for it, this blender will likely become a kitchen staple. If you're someone who blends regularly from smoothies to soups, the Chefman Obliterator could very well be the blender you've been waiting for. Thanks for watching today's review of the Chefman Obliterator blender. If you've enjoyed this video or found it helpful, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated on all our future reviews. Got any questions or already own this blender? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Until next time, keep blending, and remember, there's always something new inside TV.